most common roadblock that keeps people from building a daily yoga practice is the belief that you've got to be flexible, that you need a lot of time, and that you have to be young to actually enjoy the benefits of a consistent yoga practice. Now, none of these beliefs are true, and they all stems from a massive misunderstanding, which is the idea that yoga is just another type of workout, when in fact, yoga is first and foremost a work-in. Yoga trains your awareness and creates a mind, body, and spirit connection that brings harmony to every aspect of your life. Let me help you to understand it even better. Imagine that you are an ocean wave. From your perspective above the surface, you might believe that you stand alone, that you are separate from the ocean and other waves. And this is how we usually feel as humans. We feel separate from one another. Well, this is our ego's perception. If you dive deeper, you will discover the bottomless ocean, the universe. You will realize that you are both the wave, individual and unique, and the ocean, both at the same time. We are all the universe in its own specific expressions. When you realize this, and when you immerse yourself into the ocean, you will experience this divine force within you. This is the spiritual essence of yoga, the conscious union. And this is also what the word yoga means, union. Through the practice of yoga, you go inward, you become one with the universe, and you experience your real self. It feels as if you have discovered a new you. In the same time, you will feel more like yourself than ever before. When you change the way you look at yoga, the results of your yoga practice will change with it. You will realize that flexibility as well as strength are not requirements for yoga. They are results of yoga. And that is all about showing up for yourself. Of course, the more you practice, the better, but it's more about the consistency than it is about the intensity. So honestly, it's better to do yoga for only 30 minutes a day than to do it for 90 minutes once a month. Even 15 minutes will be enough to experience the benefits of yoga, but you have to be consistent. And this is exactly why we created Mindvalley Yoga Quest. This quest has 3 unique advantages over any other yoga program you will ever try. First, accessibility. The quest is all online. You will be experiencing the classes on our beautiful, user-friendly, peer-to-peer learning platform in the comfort of your own home, or just about anywhere that's comfortable for you. You can watch it on your laptop, tablet, or mobile, whatever works best for you. Second, community. We brought together some of the most inspiring and experienced yoga teachers in the world, so know that you are in the best hands. But what we love about this quest the most is our tribe. Get ready to be part of the most supportive online community of yogis I've ever seen. All students start on the same day and learn together. So even if you practice at home by yourself, you are never going to be alone. Third, it requires very little time. Every class is between 15 and 30 minutes long, so you will always be able to fit the session within your schedule. My life was entirely transformed through yoga. When people hear that yoga changed my body and my life with it, they immediately ask what pose made the miracle happen, which are the ones that made me lose weight faster. The thing is, yoga did not change my body through poses on the mat, even though I totally love them and I always practice them. It simply made me realize I was chasing the wrong rabbit. I started striving towards the healthiest version of my body rather than the skinnier or leaner version of it. And these eventually happened as side effects. This quest will allow you to have a taste of what true yoga really is. We are going through a comprehensive journey that will touch upon our mental and emotional dimensions together with the physical one. Because that's our mission, to show you that yoga is not only for young and flexible people, and that there are more dimensions to it, not just the physical benefits. We want to present you the wisdom of yoga in a way that is encouraging and motivating, not intimidating, so that you too can discover the magical, life-changing transformation of this ancient practice. Yoga is the perfect opportunity to become curious about who you really are. It will help you understand and change your thought patterns and the emotional triggers associated to them. It's a way of learning to be centered in action so that you always have the clearest perspective on what's happening and be able to respond appropriately. This 21-day quest has been designed with a specific focus in mind so that you can experience a progressive deepening in your practice, not just physically, but also mentally and emotionally. This means you will have the opportunity to experience yoga for what it really is, so much more than just a workout, and you will watch yourself transform. In week 1, we will create space inside and out to energize our body and mind. The focus for week 2 is going to be all about strengthening our base and core so we can access more confidence and stability on and off the mat. In week 3, we're taking our journey to a whole new level. We will use the energy and strength that we have gained in the first 2 weeks together to explore what's outside of our comfort zone and become more courageous in our practice and in our life. It's going to challenge you a little, but trust me, it will be worth it. This is Mindvalley Yoga Quest, a journey towards the best version of yourself through yoga. I can't wait to welcome in the community.